Hey Dog Bros, Josh from DigiWolf here, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about trigger links, what they are, and how you can use them in your business. So I'm in my Clicks account here, and I'm going to go to Marketing and then Trigger Links, where you're going to find your trigger link section. So what trigger links are, these are links that you're going to be able to refer to inside of the automation builder, inside of conversations, and anywhere that we are communicating with clients. And so we might be creating trigger links for different pages we want to refer people to. So it might be for our discovery calls, links to go pay, to sign up for a class, et cetera, et cetera. So I can add a trigger link. I'm going to name it. So let's say discovery call. And I'm going to then put in my link here for where my discovery call is. You can pull any links from your website that you may want to use as far as class signups or specific pages, or you might pull them from any of your Clicks funnels as well. So I'm going to go to sites, funnels. And so let's say I want to pull my Clicks demo. So I'm going to pull the URL for my demo call. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go into marketing, trigger links, add link. And there we go. Here we are. So that is now in the system on our last page here. And so if I were to go to our automations, and so let's say someone submits a inquiry form on our website, maybe on the contact page, I would want a automatic response to go out to say, hey, we've received your inquiry. If you'd like to schedule a call in the meantime, click here. So I can then go into my inbound folder where I have this, or a question form. And so when a form is submitted, I want to send them an email where I can then go and say, if you'd like to schedule a call in the meantime, click here. And so then I'm going to select the text. I am going to hit our little link guy. I'm going to select my link and find our example that I was referring to. So there we go. Save, and we're good to go. So that's how we would use a triggered link inside of an email. Now, do note that you can take triggered links a step further too. They do have functionality in automations as well. So you can say, wait for certain triggered link to be clicked. If they do click this link, have them this happen. If they don't click this link, have this other stuff happen. So that is a basic overview of what trigger links are. They are a way for you to refer to important links that you're going to be sending your clients to give you a bit of a shortcut rather than having to go hunt that link down. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next video.